Come down this way, Harmony, because you're off camera. There we go. Slide down. Slide down some more. There you go. That's good. All right. What's up? What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Show.
And the H crew
from the THROWBACK.
Okay, now y'all need to be looking there. All right, you guys, so we're eating some soul food. We got some good old rice, some peas, and some chicken. If you see the beginning of the video, I know you didn't skip it because I know you saw that good old food. You know exactly what type of chicken we got. Okay, who gonna bless the food?
I know.
Harmony.
God is grace, God is good, Lord is thank you for our food, our heads, we are fed, thank you up for the bread.
Amen. Thank y'all for joining us
Thank you.
this Sunday. I hope y'all having a blessed day. I didn't get a chance to record the service today because I left my phone. But anyway, say cheese. Have some. Don't forget, grab your fork and a plate and come eat with us. All right. Can't wait to dig in. Oh, sorry, you know, chicken. Chicken, right? I was gonna make some cornbread, but I decided against it. And it was gonna be the hot water cornbread too, y'all. Can you handle that chicken, my king?
Yeah.
It's hot now. I just took that chicken out of the oven. Frank wasn't feeling too well, so he ain't on camera. Maybe we'll catch him on No Sunday. He'll be on camera with us. Oh, that's so sweet. Harmony sharing. Oh.
Not for so long.
What you say?
I said not for so long.
Not for so long. How do a chicken taste?
Good.
Tommy haven't tried hers yet. But she's tearing up Auntie Sheila Creations rice. Chicken tender window, y'all. I actually did a video cooking the chicken, so y'all want to check it out. See how little short, quick recipe. Let's see what all I used and what I put in it. I marinated it overnight. Come on, suck the bone. So what y'all eating with us today? I know y'all gotta eat something. So I can't watch videos with people eating and not eat something. It makes me hungry. We appreciate y'all subscribing. Welcome all our new subscribers. Really appreciate it. If y'all have gone over to the JJMHcrew and subscribed to them, they trying to get to 100, y'all. Isn't that right, baby? They trying to get to 100. They were trying to get to 100 last year. I get with Jada and see if she can drop some videos over there. But they didn't come here this summer. That's why you see them dropping on my channel, because Jada's the one that had created the channel for the JJMHcrew. But they want to start up their own channel, the MH crew, right? Yeah. Y'all still trying to do that?
Hey, Uncle Frank.
What you talking about? Why I want to eat?
Baby, we on camera. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, don't bite your fingers off. Good God.
Too good. My hand's seasoned now.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I'll stick to this right here. They call this little piece right here the booty part of the chicken. Ooh, my chicken coming up the bone, y'all. But I eat it too. I don't know if that's really what it is called, but I remember when I was coming up, it's called, "Ew, don't eat the booty." Don't eat that booty. What, baby? What? I eat it all now. eat it all. Again.
This is the fact.
I eat it all.
Even the fat.
Yep. I eat it all. I don't eat. Because the fat's seasoned too. Only thing I don't eat is the bone. My mama, my grandma, she would chew the marrow at the bone. Who out there chew the bones up? That bone be so soft.
I know.
My mama was the bone.
I know who, but I ain't gonna say no names.
Who? Your mama?
Nope.
Who?
What you just said, Uncle Frank.
Uncle Frank don't chew the bone out. He clean the bone. Oh.
I ain't finna say no names. She probably gonna say you.
No. Not me. I don't chew the bone.
This would be nice as chicken.
Yeah, I have eaten the marrow before. Ooh, the bone.
It just come out right so easily.
Yeah, I have eaten the marrow. Good.
Kind of tastes like barbecue. I don't know why I'm doing this with this finger.
So who was hungry today? You or my king? Harmon. Come here. I was on the computer in the family room. She said, Auntie Stella, my king said he's ready to eat.
Cause you did tell me that.
I said,
No, Harmony.
I said, you tell my king we can't eat no raw meat.
No, first Harmony said she was hungry, so I said, then go ask Auntie Sheila. Hold up. And that's when she went to go. She went to lie on my name and said I asked. Hold up. Now you lying. I'm not lying. Don't even try to lie on camera. When you know you said you hungry. Don't even be trying to lie. The way you smile. No, that's how you know you're guilty.
Harmon said, don't try her. She's gonna turn to exorcist.
That's how you know you're guilty because you're smiling. Hold up. How dare you?
Oh.
Comment down below if y'all know who that is.
Who is that?
Honey, try do it again. How dare you? Oh my god, I'm so scared. You know you got that off of Angelia. No. Yes. It was on TikTok. Angelia been saying that. Okay. Many people be saying that too. See? Oh my god, I'm just gonna eat my baby. Hold on, let me really give y'all some. There.
I'm pretty sure he said thank you for that bite.
Oh god. Psych, I lied. Your throat is dry.
Ooh.
If they throat dry, they need some water. Hold on, I ain't finna psych y'all no more. Psych, I lied. Y'all hands are buttons. You just said that you want to psych nobody. You said psych a lot of your hands off, but.
Excuse me.
Thank you. I'm almost done.
I think I'm almost done. See, I didn't start on my chicken. Cause yesterday I ate on my
First,
chicken.
I ate some rice, and then I ate the rest of the chicken. And then I kept on rotating.
This part right here is good.
Which one? The skin?
That good old seasoning. Did y'all want to watch a movie on my computer today? Or y'all want to continue watching y'all shows in the living room?
Continue watching the shows.
Okay. They be watching something, so I don't know what they be watching.
It be the royalty family and the Spy Ninjas and the Rush fam.
They love watching YouTube channels, y'all.
Comment down below if y'all guys got a YouTube channel. Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below. She said if y'all got a YouTube channel, because they'll watch you.
But first, you gotta watch this channel. No, and subscribe.
Thank you, baby.
And then maybe we'll check out yours.
And then we'll check out yours.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh.
Oh, so good. Finger looking good. And it's not KFC.
Oh, I was gonna say, oh, that's what KFC said.
Yep. Finger looking good, but not KFC.
But I want to
Since
get
they want to steal your catchphrase, that was this
eating
one.
good in the neighborhood. First of all, comment down below if I see that ad in Arby's that said eating good
Girl,
in
her.
the neighborhood.
It wasn't Arby's, it was Applebee's.
Don't be starting no friction. Don't be starting no drama.
Wait, one up. Still.
Don't be starting no drama.
Catchphrase.
They mean they.
Hey, Charcoal. Don't be starting no drama. Say a drama for your mama. Don't. Y'all heard that before?
No.
Y'all never heard that before? Say the drama for your mama. Don't start no trouble. Don't start none, won't be none. Static. No static, static. No static, static. No static. Don't start none, won't be none. Static. Y'all heard of something? Really? I know your mama heard it.
My mama.
Oh, this is diet green tea, y'all. Citrus.
But we never heard it.
Comment below if y'all heard that song.
Auntie
It's an old
Sheila,
song.
Auntie Sheila, what Auntie Sheila was used to drinking was the aloe waters. And Big Lots raised down your prices of the aloe drink.
No, they don't even sell the same size that I used to get.
Oh, make sure to put the size back up.
Yeah, that aloe water was good. Had to be flavored though. Can't just be no straight aloe. Cause I had bought a whole gallon jug of aloe water. It was so nasty. Oh my God. So what I ended up doing when I was juicing, I would just add that aloe water to the fruit juices. You know, the juices the fruits that I juice. And then it was tolerable. It was way better. But drinking that plain aloe water, and then I saw that aloe water at Big Lots. Y'all know last year I was on the loop on that water.
Real loop.
Yeah, it was really, really good. They doubled the price, and then the size went like from here to here for the same price. I'm like, oh, I have.
And plus, it was like 50 something cents and stuff. And then that's when Auntie Sheila got a lot of them. They was in the cents.
Yeah. Whenever I find good deals, I rack up. Whenever I find good deals.
And you don't know when you guys see the good deals.
Yeah. Or you say, oh, I'll come back tomorrow and get it.
It's sold out.
You go back tomorrow, you ain't gonna find them. Especially when you go to these closeout places. It's best to just get it. Yeah, I remember those cookies that I used to get from Ollie's. Those coconut cookie bars I did all my banana puddings out of. Can't find them no more at Ollie's. They have not gotten. I said, thank God I stocked up on them because I got about, I think I probably got about 10.
I knew you were
packs.
gonna say 10.
At least 10 in that cabinet. But I'd still go to Ollie's and look because if I see them, I'm gonna get them. No more. Everybody done got them now. They probably saw my video with that, making it with that banana pudding. And they went crazy. They just got it all.
They took it from you.
But I guarantee you, it was just 99 cents for that big old pack. I guarantee you, when they bring it back, if they bring it back, it's gonna be more than 99 cents. I guarantee you, it's gonna be probably like $2.99.
I was gonna say $2, or $5, or $3.
Because that's a lot of cookies in there for just 99 cents. I always said they must have been smart this, but can't find it out, y'all.
I think I got some gravy now, so now I can do this.
Oh, thank boy.
What?
I thought I ate a vein. And I was like, did I?
You done ate a vein
And I was
before.
feeling it in my mouth.
You done ate a vein before, I bet you.
How?
But not knowing that was a vein, you probably was chomping that chicken.
No, first I
Especially them drumsticks too. Fried chicken too.
when I bite it, the first bite, I make sure it's their veins. And I take a little bite so it don't get in my mouth.
Boy.
I'll think about the movie or the
What?
Auntie Sheila eat the veins.
Yes. I eat the vein, the bootay,
Oh
the
no!
whole chicken. Only thing I don't eat is the bone. What part of chicken do y'all not eat? Because I eat it all.
Wow, Mom get crab or something.
Huh?
That green stuff, it's called doodle. She be sucking it. She was,
What she said? Well.
she said it's cooked. She don't.
We don't
Well,
eat
that
any
is,
of
it's
that.
true. It is cooked. But I don't eat that part of the crab. You talking about the whole crabs. Now, the crab legs, they be having that little stuff in there too.
And the green stuff is liquidy. It be liquid green stuff in it.
Y'all ain't never ate it before?
No,
You ain't never tried it?
never will.
Never say never. Ooh. I'm glad y'all enjoyed our food. It's all gone. They finishing up on theirs.
Almost done.
Probably gonna be the last one at the table, y'all. My king almost done. He just gotta eat the rest of the meat off his chicken.
Making sure I don't eat no veins.
What? That stuff is cooked in there, girl. Boy. Oh,
Ooh,
Jesus, have mercy. What y'all gonna do?
Flip the bone.
PROMOSTK.
Eat good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
In the good neighborhood.
Sheila Creations Way.
In the good neighborhood.
Go check out the channel.
In the good neighborhood.
Sheila Creations Way.
In the good neighborhood.
PROMOSTK. And don't forget, check out Sheila and Frank Talk Life and Marriage. I know y'all heard Frank.
In the neighborhood.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Where my oh yeah baby's at? Oh yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Subscribe. It's free. Like, thumbs up. If you're watching the video, you obviously like it. Thumbs it up. Let's see some likes on there.
If you
Let's
like
see
the
some
video,
shares. let somebody else know we're out there. And we care. Yes, we do. We care that you guys care enough to share. Don't forget, go check out the JJMH Crew. Y'all, they've been trying to get to 100 since last year. Y'all go help them out. Y'all go help them out. They baby trying to get to 100, y'all. They been trying to get, y'all been at like 69, 70 something last year. This year they like 60, 73, 74. Y'all at 80 now? You sure?
Or 74.
I saw like 73, 74. So, you know, it's just slow, you know, and I know they don't post as much because, you know, they little kids. But they try and put it on my channel. They're trying to grow their channel. So you guys can just go over there, check it out. And if they come up with the MH crew, which would be just Harmony and my king, then, you know, I'll let y'all know and y'all can go check out some videos that we'll drop on there as well. So, see y'all later. What y'all gotta say to them?
Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because every time we post a new video, you'll be notified. And share this video with the whole entire world to share more love. And
we're
out.
My
My king.
I'll do it. So my king got stuff all on his hands. Bye, y'all. Until the next video, we loving our supporters, so please continue to support.
Peace.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Shala and Frank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, husband and wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over.